Hello, it's today, Saturday, January 2018. This is just a quick preview review of my that. Okay, so let me zoom out and get to it. Come on, zoom. There you go. Alright, that's it. Now, it's got both antennas. Alright, so here's that one. Here's that one, okay. And then on this end it's got a little boo-boo right there. This just on the front panel. It's got all those connections, alright. And it's got some scratches to the front of it. But no major, it's got some dings that might catch a fingernail, but barely. Okay. It's got all your knobs, buttons, all that. Okay. And on this end it's got my little let me know it's a JVC RC-656C. It's got your fine tuning for your shortwave. And it does not have world voltage. It's just got ACN. ACN there, well actually it has DCN on this end right there. That's DCN. Okay, and the standard headphone jack. Was it left and right speakers, beat cut for your AM, left and right microphones, left and right, both input and output RC. Okay, and then on top, if I showed that already, looks like that. Okay, so now let me play it. Here's the radio. Here's the radio. That's on FM.
For 7445.
So that's shortwave. Some volume. I'm not picking up any of that. So let's see then. That's shortwave 2. Nothing there, and then we got medium wave. And we're not picking up anything there. Okay. So that's stereo. Let's see here. Going back to FM. Okay, so we got bass. I don't know when these meters are supposed to come on, but they're not on now. Okay. And then let me flip over to the tape. Okay. Let me kick out this tape that's in here. All right. Do I have my light here handy? I put it on charge. Okay, well, do it like this, I guess. It will cue. Let's see here. Let me just take it off the tripod. Alright, a lot easier to try to show you this. Okay, alright. That's review, okay? And that's supposed to be Q. There we go, I had to help it. Wow. And then that's play. So there's play mode, okay? Now we're going to take a music tape. Actually, wait. Let me get one of these, okay? And throw it in here. So hit eject, stop, throw that in, hit play. Or no, it'll do that. It'll rewind. It'll barely cue, all right? And play. Well, that's funny. Now it's working. Earlier when I tried playing it wouldn't do anything. It would barely go whir, whir, whir. So here, so now let's try this. Anyway, that's still slow. Oh, now it's working. Oh, great, great. Yeah. Okay, well, I didn't know if that works or not. Alright, well, it needs some servicing of the tape deck, and that's all I know. So, good day, everybody. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta go play with this and sell it. Bye-bye.